Today we are going to discuss what is encryption and what is decryption. How actually encryption and decryption algorithm works and what input output they produce. So first we'll see the flow diagram, how the encryption and decryption procedure works. So for this we have two users. The first is a sender and second is a receiver. So sender is the person who wants to send some messages to another user, which is receiver. Now here we call messages as plain text. One example you can take as suppose you are sending a message hi. So hi is the plain text. Now encryption algorithm takes this plain text and converts it into another text which is called as a cipher text. So ciphertext is a meaningless text. So seeing ciphertext, one cannot understand what was the actual plain text. So since the ciphertext is not readable by the receiver will use decryption algorithm to decrypt the ciphertext. Then decryption algorithm takes ciphertext as input and produces plain text which receiver can read. So this is the uh, flow of the encryption and decryption procedure with the users. So next we will see what is encryption. So the definition is encryption is the process of converting plain text into ciphertext. Now plain text we have discussed, it is message, any message like hi, hello, whatever you are sending in a chat. Suppose you are sending in a WhatsApp hi, so that is a message. So that message is transmitted via a network. So after when you type hi in your mobile, it will be transmitted through a network. So before it goes to a network, it will be encrypted and the cipher text will go into the network, and then in the receiver side device that ciphertext will be received. Suppose your friend B, he will his device will receive the ciphertext, then on his then decryption will happen, and then he can see your message hi. After decryption he will read your message hi. So this is how actually encryption and decryption works. So here we will first discuss what are the symbols that we have used. So here E represents encryption, D is decryption, M is message, K is key, and C is the ciphertext. So E encryption algorithm E and decryption algorithm D. M is the message. Suppose message is hi. Key is the private key of the user. This can be same or different. It is same in the symmetric key encryption when sender and receiver uses same key for encryption and decryption. So here I have shown for the symmetric key encryption. So here sender and receiver uses the same key for encryption and decryption. So key that is key K, and the ciphertext which we have discussed, the output of encryption algorithm. So encryption algorithm takes message M and key private key K and outputs a ciphertext C. Now this C will be sent to the receiver, and then on receiver's device decryption will happen. So decryption is the process of converting ciphertext into plain text. So how decryption will happen? Decryption algorithm takes key K. Here the key which we have used in the encryption and decryption are the same. So I have explained for the symmetric key encryption. Therefore, I have used the same key. So here it takes key K and ciphertext C and outputs M. So this C is equivalent to encryption of M and K, which we have seen in the previous slide. Encryption of M and K is equal to C. So this is how the encryption and decryption happens in the flow.